30-pound brake. This is how you set up Z-Man the right way. See here in the end? Bring it in until it stops. And it comes out. See that slot there? Bottom of that. And here's the tricky part. You have to push this thing up until it comes out like that. You see how it sets in that slot there? Get this right. See how that looks? Now, you come up underneath, pull back a little bit, and bring that thing straight up and fix it where it's going to come right through the center of it, and it fits right inside of that fin. And that's what you got, boys, right there.